Hi, in today's video I wanted to share with you my favorite salad. It is super easy to make and tastes amazing. I absolutely love making this one for myself and my family. And the day I made this salad, I actually prepared it for my entire family as a side dish. If I prepare it for myself as a meal, I normally just make half the amount. But without further ado, let's get into how I prepare it. Start off by chopping 1 head of romaine lettuce, 1/3 of an iceberg lettuce. You can decide to use only one type of lettuce, but I like mixing both of them together. Then I diced 2 tomatoes, added 3 small cucumbers I sliced to half coins, then added 1/3 of an onion diced. I then grated 3 carrots and added that in. And that is all that I added for the veggies. Then I seasoned the salad with some salt, the juice of a lime, and tahini. I mixed it well so that the entire salad is coated by the dressing. Next came my favorite part of making the salad, which is toasting and seasoning the chickpeas. They act kind of like croutons, and my favorite seasonings to include are paprika, cumin, garlic powder, and onion powder, and I let it cool for a bit. Normally what I do is I prepare first the chickpeas and then it cools down while I make this, and added the chickpeas into the salad, mix it all together, and it was good to go. It is so delicious and easy. I love it. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please like it. Also, if you have never been on the Living Life Simply channel before, make sure that you're subscribed in order to join our community, and I will see you all very soon. Bye!